Good morning, dear children. How are you? Now, what about your homework? Completing now? Yes. Do your homework very regularly, properly, and send it to me. Okay? On my personal number. Dear children, what we finished? We finished our letters. Okay? The cursive writing letters A to Z, capital letter and small letter. Today, we are going to very special topic, and today I am going to tell you one story, and the story is in your syllabus. See, Prem's Dream. What is the name of the lesson? Prem's Dream. And you know this story. I know very well. Now, dear children, today's date is 27th July 2020 and the day is Monday. Monday, Monday. And what is the name of today's story? Prem's Dream. Prem is a boy like you, 6 years old, very small but naughty. What happened? One day he sitting in his garden, but that day the hot day was there. See the sun. Sun shines very brightly in summer days, and those days were summer days. So he is sitting under a banana tree. Dear children, banana tree. Did you know about banana tree? This is a banana tree. See the banana tree. Banana tree has very big leaves. Green big leaves. And it has bunches of banana also. See. Big opposite, small. Big opposite, small. Then what happened? He is sitting under a banana tree, and in front of him one dead tree also there. And he is sitting, where he is sitting? In his garden. Dear children, garden has very big trees, small trees, plants, shrubs, herbs, grass, beautiful birds, and what? Butterflies also there. And see the garden. Garden has wooden plank. This is a plank. Okay? And it is fencing. It has fencing. Fencing means what? Railing. Fencing means railing. And Prem is sitting under a banana tree, and in front of him one dead tree was there. Dear children, what is the meaning of dead tree? Tell me, what is the meaning of dead tree? See the dead tree. This is a dead tree. The tree, it is not having green leaves. It is having green leaves? No. So it is not having green leaves, and this is called dead tree. No longer live. Then what happened, dear children? After some time, he was nodding. Who was nodding? Prem. And what is the meaning of nodding? Nodding means short nap. Nodding means short nap, जो आप दोपहर को लेते हैं, छोटी सी झपकी, जो आप थोड़ी देर के लिए सोते हैं ना, उसे कहते हैं nodding, means short nap. And what happened? Shortly he was dreaming. And dreaming is good? No. Daydreaming is good? No. He was dreaming, and what he saw? He saw that he is making one gift for his mother. Small gift. What is the meaning of gift? Gift means present, and present means gift. And also he saw that he is climbing the same dead tree. He is climbing on same dead tree. Before dreaming, what happened? Many ants were there. See the ants? These are ants. See the ants. Before dreaming, what he saw that many ants were there, and they were climbing on a dead tree. what he saw? He is making a gift for his mother and he is climbing on the date tree, sitting on branches of this tree and cutting the tree with the help of an axe. What is the meaning of an axe? Axe means a tool. Axe means one tool like this. This is an axe. ओके, जिससे लकड़ियां तोड़ते हैं उसको कहते हैं axe. So he saw that he was sitting on that date tree, one branch, and he is cutting that branches. That what happened? He saw that he falls down from the date tree. He falls down from that date tree and he is shouting ouch, because then he saw, when he opens his eyes, he saw that many ants were attacked on him. That ants are dangerous also, yes or no? So many ants were attacked on him. That then what happened? He is shouting, he is running, he is jumping everywhere because he was very afraid. Lastly, he went to his home. Safely, he went his home. But dear children, already I tell you before this story is very small, but it has many morals are there. First is what? What happened? Summer days were there, and he is sitting alone under a banana tree. It is good? No. If you want to go anywhere, you ask your parents, okay? And go with your parents or elders. Don't go anywhere without your parents, without asking your parents. Second thing was, he is dreaming. So daydreaming is good? No. Live in reality. Means आपको सपना नहीं देखना है कि मेरी कल टेस्ट है तो मुझे आ जाएगा. पढ़ाई करना ही पड़ेगा, तभी तो आपको आएगा. So daydreaming is not good. And third moral is what? Third moral is, don't cut the trees. Yes, trees are very best friend. Okay, your best friend. Why? Because trees gives us many more things like food, fruits, flowers, fragrance, cotton, your clothes, medicine also, and rain also, and we breathe air. So trees gives us fresh air to breathe. Dear children, how was the story? I know story was very nice, but dear children, today I am going to give you homework also, and the homework is hard words. Okay, I am giving you homework of hard words. You have to complete your homework and send it to me. Thank you, dear children.